Hey you guys, so how you doing? How you doing? Today my sister decided that we're just gonna chop it off. She's had a rough journey going from natural to relax, and back in 2008 we were in a bad car accident, and so after that, like for both of us, it was just hard for our hair to grow back, and her not being able to do hair, that just made it worse. This girl, she just doesn't do hair. So today we're gonna chop it all off. She decided, you know what, I'm just cut it all off. Is that right? Are you not gonna talk?
Yeah.
And chewing this gum. You're gonna be all on the camera chewing gum. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna chop this all off, and I haven't cut hair in years, so this should be really fun. Somebody's crying, oh Lord. Somebody's crying, oh Lord. I need your love today. I need you right away. Do you feel free?
No. What?
Do you feel lighter?